60 popular pink succulents that everyone loves. Orange succulents are a sensational addition to any plant collection. Their lively hues are certain to stand out and make a statement in any room or garden. There are several varieties of orange succulents, each with its own unique characteristics. Sedum nussbaumerianum, copper-tone stonecrop. This succulent has copper-colored leaves that turn bright orange in full sun. It is a low-growing plant that is ideal for rock gardens and as ground cover. Gasteria batesiana, Flo. This succulent has pointed leaves that are orange-brown in color with white spots. It is a slow-growing plant that grows up to 8 inches in height and 12 inches in width. Crassula ovata, Hummel sunset. This succulent has leaves that are a combination of orange, yellow, and green. It is a slow-growing plant that grows up to 2 feet in height and width. Sedum adelphi, golden glow. This succulent has golden-orange leaves that turn red in full sun. It is a low-growing plant that is ideal for hanging baskets and as ground cover. Sedum rubrotinctum, aurora. This succulent has small, jelly bean-shaped leaves that are orange-red in color with yellow tips. It is a low-growing plant that is ideal for rock gardens and hanging baskets. It prefers full sun and well-draining soil. Euphorbia tyricale, sticks on fire. This succulent has thin, cylindrical stems that are a bright shade of orange-red. It is a tall plant that can reach up to 8 feet in height and 3 feet in width. Orange succulents are relatively easy to care for, and they thrive in bright, sunny locations. Orange succulents are a beautiful and low-maintenance plant that can add a vibrant pop of color to any space. Please visit asucculent.com to read more.